Let's go check on the weather with Kate Kinsella.
Good evening. Today has been the warmest day of the year so far, with temperatures widely in the high 20s, a few spots just above 30 Celsius. Blue sky and sunshine. Now, we still can't rule out a shower this evening. They are very few and far between, if any at all. The Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place for thunderstorms valid until 9 o'clock. More cloud as we head into dawn tomorrow, but still some clear spells, and it's going to be a warm, humid night. The minimum temperature not dropping much below 15 or 16 Celsius, so quite uncomfortable for sleeping. Now, for tomorrow afternoon, the Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place again for thunderstorms. A dry start tomorrow morning. We've got this cloud, but some lengthy sunny spells as the heat of the day gets going. Those thunderstorms potentially developing as we head through the afternoon. Not everywhere will see them. They will be fairly hit and miss. Temperatures tomorrow getting up to potentially 30, 31 Celsius. Now, as we head into next week, still the chance for shower for Monday, but largely dry, plenty of sunshine and temperatures staying in the mid-20s.